to this modern minimalist corner lot home located in one of the sought-after subdivision in Angeles City. From this spacious garage, high-ceiling living area, spacious kitchen, and a sleek poolside lanai, this property isn't just pleasing to the eye but also built for comfort and function. Stay tuned as we walk through this stunning semi-furnished home. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Enna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Nakita nyo naman yung ating automated telescopic sliding gate. Ayan. Ano yan nakuha ko yung isang line doon. So yung ating gate, hindi siya yung usual na pag-open ng gate natin na, ano doon? Yung swinging, but it's sliding. Yan. So isa yon sa mga feature na I think it's very important. Kasi minsan, yung mga pag nag-open ng gano'n, di mo minsan makakatama ka, at least ito, mas convenient ba? Sa akin lang naman. Pero, ayun. And as you can see, yung parking area natin, very spacious. Tignan mo naman yung luwang niya. Actually, meron siyang parang dalawang portion or meron siyang mga barrier. Ano ba to? Parang marks. This serves as your mark kung saan mo ipopwesto yung sasakyan. Napaka-spacious niya. Pwede yung van, good for van. Lagi ko sinasabi na yung parking area natin, good for van dahil nga spacious sila. Also, yung slope natin is also good for sedan. Kasi may mga sedan na pag nagpa-park sila, tumatama yung sa baba. So, okay din yung slope natin. So, van, sedan, any vehicle, kasya po dito. Spacious, ayan. So even you're fully covered po ang ating parking area at high ceiling pa siya. Alright, this side, aakyat lang ako para makita niyo kung gaano siya kaluwang. This is your drying area. Dahil doon sa likod, your pool pump is there. Tapos when I turn right, nandun na yung laundry area natin. Pero I'll show that later para mas ma-appreciate niyo kung gaano kalaki. Again, a corner lot with a 228 square meters lot area at yung floor area natin is 220. Tingnan nyo yung entrance gate mo. From your entrance gate, yung porch mo, sobrang spacious. Naglag ako, spacious lang. Spacious and then elevated. You have also a garden here with landscape. Here's your landscape garden, but you can add more plants if you wish to. You have your pool area with decking, guys. At malaki yung pool natin. From there, lalakad ako dito, makita niyo kung gaano siya laki. At tignan niyo naman siya. Oh, sabihin niyo hindi malaki yung pool na yan. Ang laki-laki nitong unicorn na to dito. Very nice. And this is what I mentioned, your sleek poolside lanai, which is over here. Pinakita ko na sa inyo kasi I want you to see kung gaano ka-spacious yung pool area natin. If you have gatherings, this is the perfect, parang a good space to have your mga gathering natin, mga tables, pwede dyan, pwede dito, pwede pa dun sa garden, and yun. Ito yung side naman na pinakita ko kanina. So, what I like about this property is pwede mo siyang ikutan. I'll show that later. So, ang cute ng ating accent wall at of course, tignan mo naman yung LED strip na yan. Diba? Aesthetic. Let's go, let's go. Step lights sa ating porch. Meron tayong step lights. Very nice yung accent wall. Meron ka pang LED wall lamp dyan. And you have plant box. And ayan, ito ang yung solid door. May fluted, pa siya. May mga wood panels pala to. Hindi siya fluted panels, wood talaga siya. Solid door at smart lock po siya. Card, fingerprint, password. Yeah. So, pasok na tayo. And I did mention that this property is semi-furnished. Let's go.
Ang ganda sa loob. Pagpasok mo, ang spacious ng yung foyer.
your foyer, ayan. At meron ka pang accent dito sa wall na very functional din dahil meron siyang, ayan, cabinet. Put your keys, pwede dyan. Or anything that you want, pwede naman dyan ilagay. They also use this para ma-cover yung breaker natin. No, dyan. So, ginawa nila lang style. At ang ganda dahil mirror, mas lalong nakikita yung ganda ng ating property. And yung colors ng ating living area. Our living area is high ceiling. Ayan. Maglalagay pa pala sila ng chandelier dyan. Hindi lang palang nalagay dahil 11 working days pa yata. But they will put pa. This is our living area. Nandiyan na po ang ating living. Ang ganda ng set natin. Ang ganda ng color. Pagpasok ko pa lang kanina, sabi ko, wow. Alam mo yung highlight talaga yung living area because of the color and because of the high ceiling. Ang ganda dahil meron ka pang view from the second floor to your living area. So nakikita mo yung mga bisita ninyo. The center table is very cute. Ang ganda. So nice. Neutral color yung property, but since yung kapag naglagay ka ng color, sobrang nangingibabaw. And this color really looks great. Ayan. Your TV console, ang taas. Tignan mo naman yan. Up there, you have spotlights showing kung gaano ka taas yung ceiling mo. These are included as well. Ayan. Hanging drawers. And also dito sa living area, there's an accent para ma-feel mo kung nasa living area ka na, nasa dining area ka na. This one, pag nakita mo yung high ceiling, so yan. It's like your border that this is your living area. This corner is the living area. Plus yung color niya, so nice. Okay, next, dito tayo sa ating dining area with a view of your pool area. Kung mapapansin nyo yung table natin, matchy-matchy siya dun sa ating center table because this furniture po, these are all custom made. 6-seater, pero if you want to make it like more modern, pwede ka maglagay ng stool or bench. And very nice ang fabric. So nice. Tatry ko umupo kasi it looks comfy. Hay, ang comfy niyang upuan. Ang comfy niyang upuan and then ang ganda pa ng inyong drop light. So nice. This is your formal kitchen. You have your center aisle or your kitchen island. This can be your preparation area, your breakfast nook. Kasi yung space niya dito, pwede ka maglagay ng tatlong stool actually. Pwedeng-pwede. I think meron din siyang light there. And what I like about this, yung measurement niya or yung distance niya from the stove. From your cooktop and your range hood. Yung distance niya, pwede kang lumakad pa talaga. And meron kang mga drawers din dito. Modular cabinets, guys. Very nice ang yung task light. Double bowl stainless steel sink. It has solar water heater. Ayan. Diba? Comfort, function, and very stylish pa. Very nice ang ating mga modular cabinets. And of course, dito sa side na to, this is for your dispenser. Labas tayo dito. This is your poolside lanai. But this time, I'll show you yung iyong dirty kitchen. This is your dirty kitchen. Meron kang single bowl stainless steel sink dito. You have cabinets. Meron ka rin lutuan dito. Hanging shelves. And you also have your half bath here or your powder room. This is your powder room, toilet and sink, and a very nice mirror. Next, this is your laundry area. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaluwang dito. Pwede ka magpa-fill ng cabinet dito. Kasi tignan mo naman kung gaano kaluwang. Oh, diba? Ang luwang. And, yes, that's your this is a part of your laundry area and your service kitchen. So, ito yung laundry area. Meron kang sink dyan. Ito na yung mga faucet mo. Kasya yung dalawang washer. Kung ayaw mo dyan, I think, yeah. Dito pala siya nakapwesto pala talaga. Nandito yung socket natin. Kaya may drainage din tayo dyan. And then, ito yung sa may pool area kanina. Ay, pool pump kanina. This is your going to your carport. There you go. Now, pasok tayo dun sa may service kitchen. Papasok dun sa ating property. No? Dito tayo papasok. Ito yung door going to your dirty kitchen. And bago tayo umakyat, pakita ko lang yung under your stairwell. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Okay, this is your full bath pala siya. This is your full bath. At ang ganda ng semi-circle yung mirror. Undermount lavatory sink. So makita yung toilet and yung shower area. So papakita lang daw yan sa mga clips. Of course, meron kang bedroom sa yung ground floor. This is your ground floor bedroom. Wide window, aircon is included. Kasha ang double bed. Perfect sa room na to ang double bed. This can be a guest room, pwede rin tong maid's room if gusto mo lang for your kasambahay. Kasi yung location niya, di ba, sa ground floor lang naman din siya. At, akit na tayo sa ating second floor, you have your, wow, frameless tempered glass railing. Kung mapapan, ang slick tsaka ang very modern talaga yung dating niya. Tapos tatamaan pa ng ilaw ng yung mga step lights. Kaya akyat na tayo. Very spacious landing, wide window, at meron yung nakikita ko kasi yung wire so alam ko meron silang ilalagay dyan. There. Hanggang dito, ang ganda naman ng tempered glass. Natin? Frameless railing. So nice. Mauna tayo dito. Another bedroom. Wow, ang ganda talaga dito. Oh, di ba? Cute. Another bedroom. Very spacious din. Queen size kasha. At, of course, meron tayong aircon. At meron din tayong built-in cabinet. Included. Tignan mo dito, maluwang pa. Okay, next. Ito yung view deck natin kanina. Oh. So, nice, di ba? Tapos meron pang ilalagay dyan na chandelier dito. Dito daw. Parang layers daw siya. Parang layers of light daw siya, pababa. Mas may emphasize yung height nung iyong living area or your ceiling mo sa living area. Next! So, babalik. Alam mo kasi, dapat talaga, doon ako pupunta. Naalala ko, master nga pala yun. So, dito tayo. This is your second floor full bath. Ay, ang ganda. Kasi may clerestory window ka. Look, oh. See? Okay. So, you have a vessel type sink. You have a mirror na merong ilaw sa side niya. Floor to ceiling tiles, spacious pa yan. Dahil, ito, tignan mo dito, meron ka pa pwedeng ilagay na touch din dyan. And you also have a cabinet. Cutie, ang ganda nung fluted panels niya sa gitna na accent with a spotlight. And you also have your tempered glass partition, stainless steel shower set. Floor to ceiling tiles, I did mention that. And ito yung clerestory window. What I love about this is, ito. Kahit napatayin mo yung ilaw, maliwanag pa rin. So kung umaga, hindi mo kailangan mag-turn on ng light. Kasi mayroon kang natural light dahil sa yung clerestory window. Let's go. Next. Pakita ko na nga yung balcony dahil nandito namin tayo. Ito yung ating balcony na yung corner. So you have a view of your pool. Meron kang view ng pool mo, but not totally, but you can see part of your pool. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table here or a swing. Tempered glass din yung ating railing, frameless tempered glass. And as you can see, eto, ang ganda kasi kung nandito ka, meron kang view din ng living area at nung chandelier. Ang ganda! Meron kang view ng chandelier mo. So nice. Very aesthetic. Pagpasok natin, this is another bedroom. At queen size bed, but a double bed will be, looks better para mas maluwang yung mga lalakaran mo. Pero queen size kasya siya. Some kasi, ayaw nila na nakadikit sa wall yung bed. So if you don't want that, double bed. But if queen size na is okay with you. Very nice naman. See? May control ka pa dito sa sabi kasi ni Papa dito, three-way. Three-way yung light mo. Pwede mo siyang patayin dito, pwede mo siyang sindihan doon. Wide window. Ayan, tapos ang ganda ng view. Nakikita niyo ba? Ang view sa labas. Aircon is included. At meron ka rin dito Dali, push release pala siya. Oh. Push release ang iyong mga cabinets. Ay, may pillow na. So, yan. Push release. Next. This is your master bed. Hoy, ang ganda. This is your master bedroom. Pagpasok mo, kitang-kita mo na yung bed mo. At ang ganda-ganda dahil ang iyong... tignan mo naman yung ang ganda ng bed frame. Bed frame, ang ganda. And then you have accent dito ng LED strip or LED light. Wood panel. Wood to. Wood talaga sila. Wood panels. May accent ka ng dark gray color na painted wall dyan. At spacious pa dito, as you can see. May isa pang door dito. Oh, before we go here, this is your TV console or your TV rack. May drawers ka dyan, may hanging shelf ka rin dyan. You can mount your TV or pwede mo rin naman siyang itayo dito. Aircon is included. The CCTV sa likod nila. Mamakita nyo yan mamaya. But this side is your intimate balcony. I call it your intimate balcony kasi very yours lang talaga siya. No? It's just your space. Kung gusto mo ng space, pero nasa labas ka, dito ka lang. Pwede ka maglagay ng swing or pwede ka rin maglagay ng coffee table. Look at the view of the houses here. Gusto ko lang makita nyo that the place is has houses na. Kasi iba sabi nila, tapos wala pa mga bahay. This subdivision po, this is a sought-after subdivision here in Angeles City. Hindi lang dahil sa location niya, also dahil sa mga amenities niya. Okay, pagpasok natin, ito yung space. Pumapasok sila dun sa door kanina, and that is going to your walk-in closet na merong, tignan mo naman ang iyong walk-in closet with body mirror. Ang ganda, tignan mo. At, ayan. At maluwang pa siya habang nagbibihis ka, di ba? And meron ka pa mga shelf dito. With lights. Your shoes, for ladies, your bags, dyan. For men, of course, your shoes pwede rin dyan. Ayan, pagpasok nyo, nakita nyo naman siguro from the walk-in closet, ito na yung ating master bathroom. His and hers, you know your place, kung saan ka dito. If you're a guy, alam mo na kung saan ka. If you're a lady, alam mo na kung saan ka. But these are under-mount sink with, ayan, ang ganda naman ng countertop natin. Very spacious at even siya. Meron kang space doon, may socket ka doon, may socket ka rin dito. Your lights, ayan. Ang ganda ng mirror. Diba? Ang ilaw, ang effect niya doon sa mga tumatamang... Glossy kasi yung granite, glossy kasi yung tiles natin. Floor to ceiling tiles, glossy sila. So pag tinamaan ng ilaw, tignan mo, ang ganda talaga ng effect niya. And this one to your shower area, or your shower area. Napaka-spacious. Ayan. Textured yung tiles niya. Ang ganda kasi very rustic yung dating. Even sa floor. Yeah? Stainless steel shower. May rain shower ka, may hand shower ka. And ayan, pwede kang maglagay na. Dito mo ilalagay yung mga mo. Your shampoo, your conditioner, yan. Pwede mo lagay ka dito. Soap. Papakita ko lang yung toilet natin. Hindi ko to napakita doon sa ground floor. Smart toilet po tayo. Oh, ayan na. Oh, diba? Bumuka na nga siya. That is your toilet. Spacious din siya. Sa ganda nung may ganyan, may partition din. Well, nice yung without, pero nasa architectural design talaga when it looks really nice, yung may ganito. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you on the ground floor for our recap. For our recap, this is a modern minimalist corner lot home with pool and semi-furnished. With a lot area of 228 square meters and a floor area of 220 square meters, this property is located in one of the sought-after exclusive subdivision in Angeles City. Personal favorites ko, yung kanyang architectural design. I love kung paano yung... Pwede kang umikot sa property. And then the parking, very spacious. Very high ceiling din siya, yun. Pagpasok, yung design, yung very minimalist but sobrang the details are very like this one, yung pag-pop up ng mga colors sa yung living area, very nice, very well thought of, parang ganon. And then yung pag-complement niya dun sa iyong dining area, no, yung color niya, yung design ng ng center table natin to your dining table, matchy-matchy. Your living area with high ceiling, ayan. Nakita mo yung, parang meron kang view deck dyan, diba? From your second floor. And I know that it will really look better pag nandyan na yung iyong chandelier. Your kitchen, very spacious. Yan, yung iyong, hindi ko na-mention yung sa center aisle natin that this is a, ano ba to? Yung design niya is waterfall. No? Wala siyang cut, diretso siyang ganon. Ang ganda niya kasi yung color niya nagsa-stand out because it's dark. Yung color niya nagsa-stand out because dito sa ground floor, siya lang yung jet black. Diba? Tapos, maglalagay ka ng stool, so makikita mo talaga, na-emphasize talaga yung center aisle mo. Of course, syempre, meron ka ng mga appliances dyan, meron ka ng cooktop dyan, range hood also. Dun sa yung service area or your dirty kitchen, na meron ka na ring stove doon or meron ka na ring mga gagamitin doon. Very important kasi ba, parang pag binili mo yung property, uwi ka na dito. Pwede ka na magluto, pwede ka na matulog dahil yung maids, yung iyong master bedroom, meron na rin siyang bed. What else? Yung mga, I like yung design nung second floor because, yun nga, yung view deck natin and yung mga rooms natin, very spacious. At I would say madaling linisan kasi hindi siya yung super massive yung property. Yung sa labas natin, doon sa may pool area, sa yung laundry area, even yung sa yung dirty kitchen, sobrang movable. Diba? Kasi doon yung busy spot mo eh. Doon yung busy ko saan yung, doon busy yung mga nakatira sa bahay, diba? So, laundry and cooking. So, ang ganda ng space niya doon sa side na yon ng property natin. Also, sa facade, hindi pa yata ito na, hindi ko napakita yung facade natin, but we'll show you drone shots. I hope nakakuha ng drone shots kanina. Yung facade ng property natin, ang maganda yung fence natin, mataas yung fence natin. It gives privacy, but also it shows sneak preview of what's inside. May mga glasses tayo dun sa ating fence. There you go. At if you love what you see and if this house is speaking to you, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us or reach us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. At pwede nyo rin kaming i-message sa Instagram also, Blueprint Properties Pampanga sa Instagram. We also have TikTok, BP Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok. We post reels before po ma-post yung full video natin. So, kung gusto nyong makita yung sneak preview ng properties before pa ito ma-post sa YouTube channel, visit nyo po ang ating TikTok account, that is BP Pampanga, and also sa ating Facebook. Nagpo-post din po ng mga reels doon. For your inquiries, pwede mo kami i-message sa Messenger. We have WhatsApp, Viber. Kung wala ka social media, we have email. Ayan. We also have our numbers sa description. Makikita nyo yung mga numbers namin dyan sa description natin. And also, ano pa ba? You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and on Instagram. You can book your shippings there dahil kahit hindi pa po ito napopost sa YouTube, pwede na po ninyo itong makita. You can also view this property by messaging me there or messaging lahat kami. Pwede nyo po kami i-message sa mga messaging platforms. Book your shippings sa TikTok, Enalalu, Instagram, and Enalalu also on TikTok. Ayan. Nagpo-post din ako ng mga mabilis ng house tour lang. Mabilis ng house tour lang. Niikot ko lang yung property, so makikita nyo rin naman doon yung papasok ng, or yung mini walkthrough lang ng ating property. Ayun. What else? Thank you so much, TJ Photography, Sir Darwin and Sir Aaron, ayan, for your video. Ayan. Ito po ang kanilang mga contact details, Facebook account, Sir Aaron, Sir Darwin, maraming salamat po. And special shout out po to Pastor Jordan, Weng, and Jedi. Hello! Ano pa ba? Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aming channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. to this modern minimalist. Ay, nako, sorry sir. Modern minimalist. Our lot is, sandali. Nakalimutan ko. Babalik ako doon. Sandali. Sa ating, wait lang, nakabukas yung door. Wait lang. Your solid door with ay, nalock tayo. Dito ang iyong, wait lang, makikita nyo yung video ko. Hanapin nyo ko. Ayaw nila akong pumasok. Huwag mong ikakat to, sir. Ayaw nila akong pumasok. Next. Nalock tayo, guys. Ulit.